In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off active status on Facebook. If you want a little more privacy while using Facebook, turning off active status is a simple and useful setting to adjust. When active status is enabled, Facebook can show other people that you're currently online or that you were recently active. Disabling it helps you browse more quietly without broadcasting your availability. To get started, open Facebook and make sure you're signed into your account. The exact layout may look slightly different depending on whether you're using the mobile app or the desktop version, but the process is very similar either way. First, go to the menu area. On mobile, tap the three-line menu icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. On desktop, look for the menu or profile options in the top right corner. From there, select Settings and Privacy, and then tap or click Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can manage your account preferences. Once you're in settings, the next step is to locate the active status option. The fastest way to do this is to use the settings search bar and type in active status. If you don't see a search bar, or if you prefer to browse manually, look for the audience and visibility section, since that's where the setting is often located. Keep in mind that Facebook occasionally updates its interface, so the wording or placement may vary slightly, but the option should still be available within that general area. After you find active status, open it and look for the toggle switch. To turn the feature off, simply switch the toggle to the off position. Facebook may ask you to confirm your choice, so if a confirmation prompt appears, go ahead and approve it. Once that's done, your active status will be disabled. As a quick tip, turning off active status may also mean you won't be able to see when other people are active, depending on how Facebook applies the setting. So if that visibility matters to you, keep that in mind before you confirm the change. And that's it. You've successfully turned off active status on Facebook, giving yourself a little more control over your privacy while using the platform.